Alright, so it's Jess here. I'm here with John Chase. He is the owner of this gorgeous JK. He's pretty much done anything awesome that you could possibly think of to this JK. And it doesn't only ever see them all. What's your favorite modification that you have right in our view right now?
Well, the favorite modification is the Genrite suspension. This
nice.
Had the I bought a rolling chassis from Genrite. They did the whole tires, the Curry axles. There's a 60 in the front. It's a Curry 60, and then Curry 70 in the rear.
Wow.
2.5-inch IBP coilovers. Let's see, it's 12-inch in the front, 14-inch in the back. There's hydraulic bump stops, limit straps. I don't know, the Mickey Thompson 40-inch tires. Worn winch.
Yeah, what rating is that one?
It's a 9.5, so I don't know. I hope I can get out.
Yeah.
if I have to.
Have you ever weighed your Jeep?
Yeah, it's about, with the top off, I have the hard, the full doors and the hard top. With the top off, it's about 6,400.
Okay. That's actually not that bad considering everything you've added to it.
Yeah, because I have aluminum. They're aluminum bumpers. They're the Genrite aluminum bumpers, front and back. Those are aluminum fenders. I bought it from a guy that had those on there, and that's kind of one of the reasons I bought it, because of those the fenders. And then he had already sprayed the Rhino liner.
Oh, the Rhino liner,
yeah, that
looks
was already
amazing.
done, from a guy in Phoenix area.
Yeah, it looks great. I don't think I've actually seen one that's done better than this one.
Yeah, it worked out pretty good.
Yeah, and the color is awesome.
So I kept the body and then went kind of crazy. I got everything. Well, when Genrite did the suspension, they bought me a new JK frame, welded everything on there, and did their 4-link in the rear and 3-link in the front.
Cool.
And I went a little crazy with the Summit Machine control arms. I kind of like those, the aluminum control arms.
Yeah, everything looks really good too.
So then I had a guy at Denton Racing kind of put it all together. He's in the Phoenix area, and then they made it's a Genrite cage, and he made the special tire holder. Then I had the cage powder coated Illusion blue. Yeah, it's beautiful. And you can see the way the sun hits it. Yeah, the guy that did the welding did fantastic there at Denton Racing. It was super good. So then I had the stereo guy at Denton Racing do my stereo. It's a Alpine, I forgot what it's called, Restyle. And so he put the tweeters, these tweeters, he mounted them in the roll cage. Mm-hmm. And then underneath here he did the speakers that go in the cage. Oh wow, yeah. And then I have kind of went crazy. I got him to put 12-inch subwoofers. Oh wow, he did it really well. Back, so those cover the towers that are for the shocks that are cut in. Yeah. So all the shocks are outboard. They're not hanging low like a typical axle that a JK has. So there's no mounts that they're gonna hit. I know, that was something that's always bothered me about the JKs, is how low that bottom mount is. Yeah, rarely hit it, but it's just in your mind, you go, I'm gonna hit this. Yeah, it looks like a design flaw. I mean, it works, but this is spectacular. Then I went with power tank, and I decided, because the 40-inch tires, I have two 10, I guess they're 10-pound. Or I don't know if they're 25, the smaller tanks. And I thought, well, I was getting close to running out of air with one, so I thought I better get two just in case I don't want to be out and go, well, then I'm done. Yeah. So for all that was done, so I just got this back from Motec out of Las Vegas. They put do you see this? The Lt1 Corvette Motor. Oh my goodness. I think this is like everybody's dream, no matter what rig you have. This is the new crate motor. It's aluminum block. It's a 2020 crate motor. It's like I said, it's the Lt1. They say it's 460 horsepower. It's just got the stock tune on it now. Once I I'll get with HP tuners, and I'll get a performance tune later once I break it in. Wow. I'll get 500 horsepower out of it once I I don't want to do it now because I want it to run for a little bit.
Right.
So PSC, the hydraulic steering. This is the reservoir for their radiator. There's a Camaro fan in there.
Wow.
It has the 8L90 automatic transmission. So it's all GM. Everything's GM. So if I ever have to change anything or tune something, it's all
this
GM.
was a thought out process here.
Yeah, and then I have the Odyssey dual battery.
Yeah.
Set up, so that works good with the ARB fridge. So when we have a cold drink, we're all set. Or not a soggy sandwich. So
yeah, no kidding, no ice.
Around when you're ready to have one and you've been wheeling and so.
Yeah, I've had my fair share of soggy sandwiches. So that must be awesome.
So that's about it for now. Yeah, I just now I get to get it dusty and beat it up a little bit.
Yeah.